In this video, we'll be going over the deep link page of your Shopney dashboard. So a deep link is a link that takes you straight to the content no matter which device or browser you use at the moment. If you want to share a product or collection from your app with someone who has your app or maybe on your social media accounts, you can create a deep link that directs them exactly to that product or collection in your app. If the user doesn't have your app installed already on their device, the deep link will direct the user to App Store or Play Store according to their device type. To download your app first, then open the regarding product or collection after installing your app. On the page, you will see two options, products and collections. All your products and collections will be reflected on these pages. You can filter the product or collection that you want to find on the left part right here. And when you click on the product or collection that you want to share, let's go with this one for example, you will see its QR code or link right away. You can download the QR code from this button right here. And this is it. It's incredibly simple but so effective. It saves so much time for your customers to just scroll within many products or collections to find the ones you've mentioned or wanted to share. It is a great marketing tool that will quickly get your customers to that product or collection and enable more app downloads along with faster sales. If you have any further questions on Deep Link, always feel free to reach out to us on our 24/7 live chat. Bye!